Well, the tropics are heating up. We have two systems that we're tracking in the Atlantic Basin, that being Tropical Storm Dorian and Tropical Depression 6, which also has a possibility of becoming a named storm. Across the nation, we're tracking excessive heat and also some spotty severe weather concerns. Not very widespread today, but certainly a chance that a few storms could go severe. All right, so here's a look at Tropical Storm Dorian over the Lesser Antilles. The sustained winds now at 50 miles per hour, moving west-northwest at 13 miles per hour. This is going to be a borderline high-end tropical storm, maybe low-end hurricane as it starts to make its way towards Hispaniola and the Caribbean. So again, really watching this closely, but this will be impacting parts of Florida as we get into that Labor Day weekend. Watch that very closely with potential of gusty winds, stronger rip current, and some gusty winds as well. Looking at Tropical Depression 6 there, also possibly becoming a named storm later on this afternoon or tomorrow, staying away from the eastern seaboard and more of on a northeasterly track. In the meantime, it's still pretty hot in the southern U.S. We've got some upper 90s and triple-digit heat across southern Texas and also through the desert southwest. Reno today up to 100, 111 in Phoenix and 108 in Vegas. Again, a number of locations under excessive heat warnings and heat advisories, even stretching as far north as the Willamette Valley. Heat advisories continuing across the coastal bend of Texas and including Houston, where it'll feel like 110 this afternoon. Brownsville, you could feel like 117, with the extended outlook keeping us warmer than average across the west coast. The southern U.S. and the eastern seaboard will keep that fall-like weather pattern in place through the upper Mississippi Valley. Today, a front is pushing through the Great Lakes and down into the southern U.S. Again, there will be some isolated strong to severe thunderstorms with pockets of locally heavy rain down near Dallas, especially to the north. We could see some 1-inch liquid tallies.